Hi. Welcome back to Blazing Sky, y'all. Johnny here, and Sky is on the Triple X. I'm on the Talaria MX-5 Pro, and today we are riding without our kids. This is the first time we actually get to ride together without either of them. It's because the grandparents are in town and they've got the kids. They went to Brahms, so we're gonna go meet them out there. The grandparents are in town from Texas, by the way. They drove a little over 3 hours to get here. We're very grateful for them. This is cool. You know, we never get to ride together. Hi. How you doing? Good? Yeah? I was just saying, you know, we never get to ride together without the kids. So yeah, we're very grateful for the grandparents coming in and just taking the kids away for a little bit, even though we're going right back up there to meet up with them. The little moments. Oh, my love. My love. We hardly get to ride main roads as well, mainly because of speed, wind, and all that, and the kids are sensitive to all that stuff. Hi, baby. Oh. I'm your favorite ice cream. Alright. We just got done having a little snack here at Brahms. Uncle Al just met us up here. He finna ride with us for a little bit. And we heading back. Okay, we are now leaving Walmart. We had to come here to get some jalapenos and some cream cheese real quick to make our jalapeno poppers.
I took off at the stop sign and I did it accidentally.
Oh! Let's see it! Let's see it! Oh. Yeah. All right. Peace out.
All right. Love y'all.
Bye. Oh yeah. We got to ride today.
Don't live